Welcome the students in science class. Class 9, Unit 10, Solubility. Topics: Solution, Types of solution, Solubility, Solubility curve, Crystallization process, Numerical. Solution: the homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent is called solution. Example: salt water, sugar water, air, etc. Types of solution. Example: liquid plus solid, salt water, liquid plus liquid, alcohol water, liquid plus gas, oxygen dissolved in water, gas plus gas, air. Unsaturated solution: the solution which can dissolve more solute in given temperature is called unsaturated solution. Saturated solution: the solution which cannot dissolve more solute in given temperature is called saturated solution. Supersaturated solution: the solution which had already dissolved more solute than saturated solution in given temperature is called supersaturated solution. Some solute is added. If it dissolves in solution, it is unsaturated. If it does not dissolve, it is saturated. If crystallization takes place, it is supersaturated. Solubility: the amount of solute in grams required to make saturated solution with 100 grams of solvent is called solubility. The solubility of copper sulfate is 20 at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Means 20 grams of copper sulfate dissolves with 100 grams of solvent to form saturated solution at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Mathematical formula. Solubility equals to W1 upon W2 into 100, where W1 equals to weight of solute in grams, W2 equals to weight of solvent in grams. The solubility of substance increases with the rise of temperature. Solute in solid state dissolves more in hot water than in cold water, because intermolecular spaces of water increases with increase in temperature. Solubility curve. The curve obtained by plotting temperature in x-axis and solubility of substance in y-axis is known as solubility curve. Factors known from solubility curve are solubility of a substance at different temperature, amount of crystallization in different temperature, compare about the solubility of different substances at fixed temperature. Crystallization. Crystallization process means the preparation of crystals by cooling down the supersaturated solution. Crystals of copper sulfate is prepared by cooling the supersaturated solution of copper sulfate. Numerical. 1. At 20 degrees Celsius, solubility of sugar is 179. How much grams of sugar is needed to prepare saturated solution with 30 grams of water? Solution. Temperature T equals to 20 degree Celsius. Weight of solute W1 equals to x gram. Weight of solvent W2 equals to 30 grams. Solubility S equals to 179. Window. Solubility equals to W1 upon W2 into 100, or 179 equals to x upon 30 into 100, or 179 into 30 equals to 100x. Or 179 into 30 upon 100 equals to x, or 53.7 equals to x. Therefore, x equals to 53.7 grams. Two. If 15 grams of saturated solution at 30 degrees Celsius is cooled down to 10 degrees Celsius, what is the amount of salt obtained by crystallization? Solubility of salt at 30 degrees Celsius is 95 and solubility of salt at 10 degrees Celsius is 30. First condition, temperature T equals to 30 degrees Celsius. Solution equals to 15 grams. Weight of solute W1 equals to X grams. Weight of solvent W2 equals to 15 minus X grams. Solubility S equals to 95. We know solubility equals to W1 upon W2 into 100 or 95 equals to X upon 15 minus X into 100 or 1425 minus 95X equals to 100X or 1425 equals to 100X plus 95X. Or 1425 equals to 195X or 1425 upon 195 equals to X or 7.30 equals to X. Therefore, X equals to 7.30 grams. Weight of solute W1 equals to 7.3 grams. Weight of solvent W2 equals to 15 minus 7.3 grams equals to 7.7 grams. Second condition, temperature T equals to 10 degrees Celsius. Weight of solute W1 equals to Y gram. Weight of solvent W2 equals to 7.7 grams. Solubility S equals to 30. We know solubility equals to W1 upon W2 into 100 or 30 equals to Y upon 7.7 into 100 or 30 into 7.7 equals to 100Y or 30 into 7.7 upon 100 equals to Y or 2.31 equals to Y. Therefore, Y equals to 2.31 grams. Conclusion: solute dissolved at 30 degrees Celsius, X equals to 7.30 grams. solute dissolved at 10 degree Celsius, Y equals to 2.31 grams. Crystallized salt equals to X minus Y equals to 7.30 minus 2.31 equals to 4.99 grams equals to 5 grams. Three. At 25 degrees Celsius, 500 grams of water and 240 grams of potassium chloride dissolves to form the saturated solution. Find out the solubility of potassium chloride at that temperature. Solution. Temperature T equals to 25 degrees Celsius. Weight of solute W1 equals to 240 grams. Weight of solvent W2 equals to 500 grams. Solubility S equals to what? We know solubility equals to W1 upon W2 into 100, or S equals to 240 upon 500 into 100. Therefore, S equals to 48.